Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a delicious hamburger taco. Taco is a traditional Mexican dish and it's really good if you try it. The ingredients that we're going to need, we're going to need a half a pound of ground beef, some corn tortillas, cooking oil, some lettuce, some shredded cheese. You can use whatever cheese you prepared, and our secret ingredients is the paste salsa. Let's get started. The first things we're going to do is we're going to brown our meat. Until it's no longer pink. And now we're gonna add our 3/4 cup of our salsa and just mix it. Let it cook for about a minute or two to get the flavor into the meat. And now we're gonna add a cup of water and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. So this has been simmering for about 8 minutes now. And our meat is almost ready. So while that's still simmering, we are gonna start cooking our tortilla. To fry our tortilla, just put a little bit of oil on the skillet and just brown each side of the tortilla and then fold it. You gotta use the tongue for that. In this case, you're gonna have a fresh and crunchy taco. And our taco shell is ready, and we are going to chop up some of the lettuce. Meat is ready, and we are going to start putting a filling to our corn tortilla. So what you're going to do is just grab your taco shell, put some meat on it. Normally they put onions, tomatoes, and lettuce on it, but since I use that salsa, it's got already a lot of onions and tomato, so I don't need to. I'm just gonna put some shredded cheese, which I have a Monterey Jack cheese, and I'm going to add some of the lettuce, and there you go. That's how you make a delicious hamburger taco. And I hope you guys like this recipe and make one for you. Let me know what do you think about it. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.